Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The future is looking up for the Naviator. Actually, it's looking down too. The Naviator is a drone developed by a team at Rutgers University's School of Engineering led by Professor Javier Diaz. It has been funded by the Office of Naval Research. Diaz says with propellers on the top and the bottom, it is stable and travels nonstop from air to underwater and back.
Yes, we call it seamless transition because it really, there's no delay during the process. As you're coming out of the water, it literally, the vehicle senses when part of the vehicle is out of the water and just continues through the transition. There's no stopping.
The team has developed different size Naviators for various applications, and commercializing is in the works. Perhaps we'll see a version that can carry passengers one day. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.